Welcome to Curious Kids Galaxy. Today, on the 1, 2, 3 adventure, let's explore the world of numbers. Together, we will learn numbers from 0 to 20 in words and in figure. That is, we will learn how to say the numbers and how to spell them. Are you ready? Come aboard the CKG Starship. Let's go!
This is the number 0. Repeat after me. 0. To spell 0, we say Z-E-R-O. 0. Again, Z-E-R-O. 0. Look, here we have an empty wallet. It has no money in it. We use 0 for when there's nothing. For example, he scored 0 in his test. That is, he has 0 score. This is the number 1. Repeat after me. 1. To spell 1, we say O-N-E, 1. Again, O-N-E, 1. Here, we have one car. We use 1 for when an object is single. For example, there is a car parked outside. That means if we go out to check, we would see just one car. This is the number 2. Repeat after me. 2. To spell 2, we say T-W-O, 2. Again, T-W-O, 2. Look, here we have 2 colorful peacocks. We use 2 for when an object is double. For example, my grandfather has 2 peacocks on his farm. This is the number 3. Repeat after me. 3. To spell 3, we say T-H-R-E-E, 3. Again, T-H-R-E-E, 3. Look, here we have 3 trumpets. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3 trumpets. Great job. Let's move on to the next number. This is the number 4. Repeat after me. 4. To spell 4, we say F-O-U-R, 4. Again, F-O-U-R, 4. Look. Here, we have 4 bicycles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 bicycles. Amazing. What do we have next? This is the number 5. Repeat after me. 5. To spell 5, we say F-I-V-E, 5. Again, F-I-V-E, 5. Look, we have 5 balloons. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons. You're doing an amazing job, kids. Let's move on to the next number. This is the number 6. Repeat after me. 6. To spell 6, we say S-I-X, 6. Again, S-I-X, 6. Look, we have 6 bottles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bottles. Great job. What do we have next? This is the number 7. Repeat after me. 7. To spell 7, we say S-E-V-E-N, 7. Again, S-E-V-E-N, 7. Look, here we have 7 sheep. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sheep. Great job. Let's move on to the next number. This is the number 8. Repeat after me. 8. To spell 8, we say E-I-G-H-T, 8. Again, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Here we have 8 teddy bears. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 teddy bears. Good job. Let's move on to the next one. This is the number 9. Repeat after me. 9. To spell 9, we say N-I-N-E, 9. Again, N-I-N-E, 9. Here we have 9 crayons. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 crayons. Good job. Let's move on to the next one. This is the number 10. Repeat after me. 10. To spell 10, we say T-E-N. 10. Again, T-E-N. 10. Over here, we have 10 yummy cupcakes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 yummy cupcakes. Good job. This is the number 11. Repeat after me. 11. To spell 11, we say E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Again, E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Look here. These are 11 candles. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 candles. Good job. Up next, we have the number 12. Repeat after me. 12. To spell 12, we say T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. Again, T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. Look here. We have 12 bananas. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12 bananas. Great job.
This is the number 13. Repeat after me. 13. To spell 13, we say T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. Again, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. Look, here are 13 tablespoons. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 tablespoons. Good job. Let's move on to the next one. Up next is the number 14. Repeat after me. 14. To spell 14, we say F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. Again, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. Here are 14 microphones. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 microphones. Good job. Let's move on to the next one. This is the number 15. Repeat after me. 15. To spell 15, we say F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. Again, F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. Here are 15 apples. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15 apples. Amazing. You're doing a great job. Let's move on to the next one. This is the number 16. Repeat after me. 16. To spell 16, we say S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. Again, S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. Over here we have 16 water bottles. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 water bottles. Good job. Up next is the number 17. Repeat after me. 17. To spell 17, we say S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. Again, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. These are 17 pencils. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 pencils. You're doing an amazing job, kids. This is the number 18. Repeat after me. 18. To spell 18, we say E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. Again, EIGHTEEN. 18. Here we have 18 diamond stones. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 diamond stones. Next is the number 19. Repeat after me. 19. To spell 19, we say N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Again, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Over here we have 19 bells. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 bells. You're doing an amazing job, kids. Let's move on to the last number we have for the day. Finally, we have the number 20. Repeat after me. 20. To spell 20, we say T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Again, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Hold on, kids. We're almost done. Over here we have 20 oranges. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 oranges. Well done, kids. You did an amazing job throughout today's lesson. Today we learned the numbers from 0, number 1 to number 20. We also learned how to write and spell the numbers by paying attention to our hostess Sharon as she walked us through the whole learning process. We are now confident going forward that we can write the numbers we learned today in words and in figure. Am I correct? Sure. Thanks for being a part of the 1-2-3 adventure today. Do not forget to check out our previous videos on the ABC adventure and more. Also, like and subscribe to the Curious Kids Galaxy for other fun learning videos. And tell your friends at school about the amazing work we do here every day. See you next time, kids.